How you doing, guys, today? I hope so you're keeping well. It's morning time. I'm in Kuta Legian in Azul Beach Club. I will have a breakfast here. They have a super nice promotion and I have to try it. And today's vlog will be about the Kuta Legian and title, Do You Miss Bali Kuta Legian? Many people ask me to make this vlog, so here we go. Today's will be the vlog. I will walk between Kuta Legian around, starting from Azur, from the beach, going through the Pullman, Mercure, Padma, and that's already quite long trek for the morning exercise. I hope so you will enjoy it and check this out. Beautiful place, and I'm only the one here still. Yeah, that's how it is. I will show you what I have for breakfast, and later I will have a walk and showing you guys around. Alright, so just got my breakfast, which is beautiful egg benedict, coffee of course, view at the front, beach. I will have breakfast, so I will have a power to show you guys later the area, and stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, but before I gonna go explore, I will still enjoy my drink. Super healthy and super nice. Check this out. It's time to go. Oh my god, look at this jacuzzi, guys. I would like to jump, but I forgot to. Well, I didn't plan to come here anyway. But this jacuzzi is like, I wanna jump now, guys. I didn't even took the pants and anything to change. Anyway, I have to show you guys around. Good vibes, and it's 10 o'clock now, and unfortunately I was the second customer for the first 2 hours. So sad. So cool place, fully recommending. If somebody is in Bali, just come here, you will not regret. Okay guys, I will show you guys now Legian. I will starting from Padma, and I will go around into the Mercure, Pullman, and come back on the beach side. By the way, this hotel who belongs to the Azul Beach Club, it's also closed. So sad. Starting from the Padma, as you can see, everything is closed here without any exceptions. It's totally closed over here. So sad. Check this out, guys. This is the Padma street. Super dead quiet. Everything is closed here. Everything, or almost everything. Here is some construction. Here is the building for rent. Motorbikes are already covered by the something like long time nobody used them. No air even in the wheels. Everything looks abundant here, and so sad view actually, and it's gonna be for another 4 months at least, if no longer. So sad, so sad. Quiet, isn't it?
Very quiet.
Very quiet.
What are you doing here?
Ah, just video.
You make video, yeah? Send to your country.
Yeah, I sent to everywhere around the world, not only to my country. All world will see. Take care, guys. Yeah.
Everybody like that, yeah?
Yeah.
My body never know.
That's how it is. I'm heading to Jalan Legian now. I will walk on Jalan Legian till Mercure Hotel, and then I will go to the Kuta direction.
You know my body never know. You know my body never know. My body never know. I keep dancing with the everybody there's a lot.
I know it's 10 o'clock at morning in Kuta Legian, but generally when I always record around afternoon time, sunset time, nothing really is changed. Most of the things are just closed anyway, and supposed to be already busy at this time. Anyway, it's the new rule in Indonesia, in Bali. Now, if you not wearing mask in the public place, you will get fined around 100k, and the institution like a shop or restaurant, they will be fined 1 million. This is from yesterday, and for another 2 weeks. I'm not sure how they're gonna checking this. However, that's how it is. That's the interesting fact. What is now?
My body never know. I keep dancing with everybody there's a lot of
Mercure Hotel is closed. This area is everything is for rent over here. Mercure, I think, have some renovation. Yeah, that's how it is. There is the Legian, continue, and I'm gonna go right into the Kuta. We will see. One thing what doesn't change at all is weather. It's super hot as always. Sunny day, beautiful blue sky. That doesn't change, but after that everything is changed. It's super quiet. Almost everything in this area is closed. Yeah, as you can see. almost every spa, every stall, every mini mart, every Circle K shops, most of the restaurants, actually 90% of the businesses just literally closed without any doubts. Check this out, Circle K closed. Oh, hello. This stall is actually open, but that's only two what I saw today. It's just super quiet. As here and here. I forgot to mention, as every tattoo shop is obviously also closed. Now I'm passing the Legian Beach Hotel. Legian Beach Hotel, I think it's open, but I'm not sure. And on other side I'm passing into the Pullman Hotel. Pullman Hotel is closed because we are with Winnie planning to stay in Pullman. I used to stay in Pullman in Australia, in Adelaide, super cool hotel. That's why I wanna stay in Pullman in Kuta, but unfortunately it's closed till further notice. Whenever they're gonna open, probably we'll stay, but unfortunately at now it's not possible. The only hotel in Kuta where we can stay is some hotels in the Sunset Road. We will stay one day because we need to organize something, and the Nasty Hotel in Kuta is also open. We're considering about that, but not sure yet.
Hi guys, I'm Andy. This one egg roast stick, and also this one omelette, traditional food from Bali.
Traditional food.
Yeah, wanna try?
No, I'm fine, thank you.
Why not?
Next time.
Next time, yeah?
Yes, I will come next time, I promise, okay?
Okay, thank you. The menu, this one, the menu, sir.
I will show you guys. Looking very nice and very clean, very worth to try, and it's super cheap.
Yeah.
Fully recommending.
Yeah, I put the price, fixed price.
Fixed price,
Even
no
though-
cheating, no cheating.
Even though you are tourist or local, same price. Yeah.
Big thumb up. Take care.
Take care, yeah. See ya.
Fully recommending this guy. He's making like a street food, but very clean. He showed me everything, and he really asked me, can I be on your video and everything? It's so quiet, everything. Sure, man, I don't mind. Why not? So find this guy, and he's just next to the Pullman and the gate of the Legian Beach. He said as he's every day there. So this is second place what I recommending for you today, guys. First is Azul Beach Club if you wanna chilling with the nice vibe. They have also super cool promos now, super quiet. This guy, if you are carving for the street food, he's making like a very clean, fully recommending. Stay tuned, guys. And this is the Pullman Hotel. It's so bright and it's so hot, as you can see. I will go a little bit on the beach, show you guys how is there, and I will go home finishing this vlog. It's super hot, guys, to be honest, and this is how it looks in Kuta Legian. Still, guys, remember the time when you could sit on the Kuta Legian beach having bintang or Coca-Cola or something? That time is past. It's just not possible at the moment. because of the current regulations. Anyway, it's super quiet. As you see, now I'm working on this closed road in Padma. Actually, there's nobody here. I think that will be enough for today's vlog. I have the work, I already get tired, it's so hot. I hope so you enjoy it, and what I did today will be appreciated. Like always, thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow is this new vlog, like always, 7 p.m. Bali Time GMT +8. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and see you tomorrow, guys. See ya, take care.